Hi, today we will talk about the Cayley-Hamilton theorem. So, what is Cayley-Hamilton theorem? Cayley-Hamilton theorem states that a square matrix will satisfy its own characteristic polynomial equation. A characteristic polynomial is associated with the determinant of a matrix, and the given eigenvalues of the matrix will be the roots of this polynomial. Suppose a square matrix A is given with n rows and n columns. The characteristic polynomial of this matrix is given as the determinant of eigenvalues times the identity matrix minus A. Here, In is the identity matrix and lambda is a scalar quantity, and that signifies the determinant operation. The Cayley-Hamilton theorem states that the characteristic polynomial expression of a real or complex square matrix will be equal to the zero matrix. The characteristic polynomial P of lambda equals to the determinant of lambda times I sub n minus a can be decomposed using this equation. This is a monic polynomial where the leading coefficient will be equal to 1. Thus, a sub n is equals to 1. Here, a sub n minus 1 to a sub 1, a sub 0 are coefficients of the variables lambda to the power of n minus 1 to lambda power of 1 and lambda power of 0 respectively. So, sabi nga kanina, the characteristic polynomial can be decomposed using this equation. So, pag na-decompose na natin, we replace lambda with a matrix A. So, ito na yung magiging mukha ng ating characteristic polynomial. Now, according to the Cayley-Hamilton theorem, this polynomial will be equal to 0. Thus, P of A is equals to 0. So, for 2 by 2 matrix, lambda is equals to eigenvalues or the characteristic polynomial, while S of 1 is equals to sum of diagonal elements. So, ibig sabihin yung naka-diagonal na elements, kailangan natin siyang i-add para makuha tong value ng ating S sub 1. Ang S sub 0 naman is representing the determinant of a 2 by 2 square matrix. According sa ating theorem, if yung lambda or the eigenvalues ay mapalitan ng square matrix, our characteristic polynomial will be 0. Ito na ngayon yung gagamitin nating formula sa pagkuha ng 2 by 2 square matrix. Yung B dyan is, yan na yung ating 2 by 2 square matrix. For example, verify the Cayley-Hamilton theorem for the matrix A which has element 2, 3, 5, and 7. So first, sulat muna natin yung ating formula para sa 2 by 2 matrices, which is B squared minus S sub 1 times B plus S sub 0 times inverse of a matrix. So, we rewrite this equation into simplest form. P of A equals to A squared, which is our 2 by 2 matrix. Yung sinabi natin kanina na lambda at pinalit ng A, ito na yung diniretso ko na lang para di na tayo mas mahirapan sa pagsulat. So, a squared minus a plus b, which is a plus d, which is our diagonal elements. Sum of our diagonal elements times a plus the determinant of our matrix times the inverse of a matrix. Equals 0 kasi yan yung i-prove natin mamaya. So here makikita natin yung nire-represent ng ating ginawang simplest form. First, solve muna natin yung ating a squared, which is matrix A times matrix A. And that will give us 19 and 27, 45, and 63. Sixty 64 rather. Next, our diagonal sum of our diagonal elements times our matrix, and that will give us 18, 27, and 45, and 63. Next, we will move to our determinant times the inverse of a matrix. And we get negative 1 times 1, 0, 0, 1. And we get negative 1, 0, 0, and negative 1. Next, we now move to our equation, which is P of A equals to A squared, which is our 2 by 2 matrix, minus the diagonal of sum of diagonal elements times our 2 by 2 squared matrix plus the determinant times the inverse of a matrix equals to 0. Input lang natin yung ating nakuhang answer kanina. Then first, we solve the first and second part of our answer. Now we verify that the Cayley-Hamilton theorem of our matrix is equal to 0 matrix. Actually, meron pa tayong 3 by 3 matrix, but it requires a long calculation, so 2 by 2 lang yung aking ginawang example.